The National Dental Assisting Examining Board, NDAEB, automatically releases your written exam results, pass or fail, to the Canadian Dental Assisting Regulatory Authority, CADA, in the province where the exam was written, or to any CADA that requests your results. This helps provincial regulators verify your exam outcome for licensing purposes. In Alberta, CADA is the College of Alberta Dental Assistants, CADA, which is responsible for dental assistant registration. They may ask for a copy of your written exam result as part of your registration application, especially if you plan to work in Alberta. Since your dental degree or transcript was already submitted and approved before exam registration, you do not need to submit it again to NDAEB. Passing the written exam alone is not enough. You must complete the full NDAEB certification pathway, including the clinical exam if required, to receive your NDAEB certificate. Once you have the certificate, you can apply to CADA for registration. You will need to submit a copy of your NDAEB certificate, your NDAEB written exam and CPE result letter, government-issued ID criminal record check with vulnerable sector search professional liability insurance. Any additional supporting documents requested by CADA. You also need to fill out the CADA registration application form and pay the registration fees, currently $100 plus GST for the application and $225 plus GST annually for registration. After CADA approves your application, you receive your practice permit. Only then can you legally work as a registered dental assistant in Alberta. For official forms, instructions, and updated fees, visit the College of Alberta Dental Assistants website at abrda.ca. Follow and subscribe to License Ready with Ollie for clear, step-by-step guidance for NDAEB and CPE as a foreign-trained dentist.